Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and thank you so much for clicking this video.
And in our today's video, we are going to show you and to guide you on steps or the features that you should check when you are buying a new television. Television nowadays, they have changed a lot for the past 10 years. They have become slimmer and smart.
Yeah. Na mbwa TV za vitumbo zilisha bei.
Sasa hivi watu vitumbo ziko kwa wanaume. TV ndo zilisha matumbo.
Yes.
So, which is the first point should you check when buying a television, babe?
Size. To me, it's size. Maybe the Jalo in me, it cannot allow me to buy a small television, guys. I want the big one. The one that can fit our wall if you want mounted it. Yes. The one that if you just step into the house, it will just attract your eyes and you just see it first.
You will notice on a TV.
Yes. To me, size matters a lot.
Yeah.
So you can even see ours. Yeah. It's huge.
That's huge.
Yeah.
Yeah, the size also we have 49, that 32 is a bit small.
20. There is even at 18 or 19.
Yeah, I don't know. I know
24,
32, 43, 42, 43, 49, 50, 65.
55.
Yeah.
So 60, 65. Yeah.
You unachagua tu unapenda.
But then again, I'm not saying that I don't like the small inches.
Yeah.
It depends on your pocket, guys.
Yeah.
So if your pocket is 32 inches, go for it. Yeah. This life we are going with your pace, okay? Yeah. So to me, size matters a lot. And you?
Me, the other point that matters to me is the display. Yeah, I want to see the display in terms of 4K.
Yeah.
I want my TV, but nowadays we have even 8K.
Yeah.
16K. Hey, we to
it is advancing, guys.
It's advancing very
day
fast.
Day by day. Yeah.
So this 4K, iko nyuma bado. We have 8K and 16K, and that display it matters in terms of resolution.
Yeah.
You see your videos are very clear. Yeah. If it's 4K, it's very clear.
Yeah.
8K nayo usiseme.
You can even track the person on the television because of the clearance.
Yeah, and in terms of display, you can check a site like YouTube now supports 4K video. We have Netflix, it supports 4K videos. Even maybe in future when internet advanced so very, very advanced further, we will have sites posting 8K video. And the displays goes further. We have HDR.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. Somebody on the channel.
Our comment section. So to me, another thing that of the feature I look for when buying a television, the brand, guys. You are supposed to look for the brand that you can trust them. Like for us, we choose the LG one, but there are other brands that you can also choose. The ones that you can trust and you know their products are unique and good. Not to buy a TV today and it's matatizo mara sijui imezimika imefanyika hivi.
Mara picha
imefade. Yes. You look for a good brand. Yeah, to me I can advise the LG. And yeah, I love LG so much.
And a funny story. the Sony company was the first company in the world to produce a color TV. So and also Sony produced
good TV, yes.
But the price, that's not okay.
Yeah, it's very high.
Yeah.
But then again,
but
it's
LG
good.
is affordable and the quality is good.
Yes.
So, and another point when buying TV is you check the warranty. And if a country like Kenya, for us, sisi watu wa solar, kuna hiyo rules, a solar act rule. It usually states if you are buying if a consumer is buying a product from you, you are supposed to give them a warranty. And law ya Kenya may protect consumer about that, such that, like for example, imesema for a charge controller, upe customer a 2-year warranty. For TV, sijui kama kuna hiyo rule, but
1 year.
Kuna imesema 1 year.
Kwa ile receipt ya kubai.
Hii ilikuwa 2 years.
2 years.
Kwa 24 months warranty.
It is, no.
24.
It is still undercover.
Still undercover.
We got it in 2020. Yeah, 2020 to 2021.
It's still under
and then
warranty.
2021 to 22 until June 25. Yeah.
So it's still under warranty. Wow.
Yes.
That's very good.
Yeah.
So the government of Kenya, it can choose to protect
the consumer
such that if it's under warrant, ilete matatizo, inapeleka unatengenezewa.
Yes, and another feature or point is that you save, guys. Don't take a loan and buy a television. It's awkward. Yeah, just save your money step by step. If you are saving 5,000 monthly, just save until your money imetoshea, and then you go and buy your television. That's the best thing you can do. Imagine watching and imekatwa.
It's not recommended.
And then when you compare the money that you are paying daily kwa hizo TV za kukata, it's a bit high compared to when you save, you go and buy the television. Yeah.
So another point when buying a television, you check whether can you be able to attach a USB, can you be able to connect it to Wi-Fi. If you can connect it to Wi-Fi, does it have a Wi-Fi port and internet cable, kama iko na Bluetooth, because now those things
needs
zimeshikana sana in our life.
Yeah.
Kama uko na smartphone kuiconnect nini, Wi-Fi zimekuja, internet. So you check on that point kama iko na hizo vitu.
Another point of feature, you can also check if your television ina consume power kivipi.
And most television, I think they consume 45 watts. If smart TV zimepunguza, zimekuwa efficient sana in terms of power consumption.
You at least haikunywi stima.
Kwanza kama unaitumia kwa solar, that is a huge point to check on.
Solar. Yes. Guys, we will be shifting from steamer to solar in future. We don't want to be.
So, and another point when buying a television, you should check whether it's smart or digital TV.
Yes.
And what is the difference between a smart TV and a digital TV? Unajua babe?
Smart TV, see, you can access these social media platforms, internet platforms. Yes, like YouTube, the Netflix, Prime videos, Showmax, yeah, those ones.
And a digital TV who access internet mpaka ununue another TV. Android TV
that will boost your television or upgrade it to a smart TV. So you check that too.
Usinunue TV alafu ununue kitu ingine.
Yeah, you just choose once.
Unanunua once TV, unamaliza maneno ya TV.
Yeah, kama sisi.
TV ni ka investment.
Yeah.
Ni kama kuchagua wife.
Yeah.
So, and another point ni unaangalia sound.
Yeah, isiko ina koroma.
Ama sound yake iko chini such that lazima connect ufa.
Yeah.
Do sound bars. Tunafaa usikia na
without woofers and Bluetooth and the others. So if you want to feel the music into your heart, then you connect with woofers and then the Bluetooth. Yeah.
And our last point is, if you check from FG, they have a program such that you can connect your TV, your fridge, your washing machine, zote kwa app ya FG. I don't remember the name.
Internet name?
Internet of Things.
Yeah.
IoT. Internet
yes.
of Things. You control hardwares on the internet. And in features, the internet is advancing. Many things will become IoT.
Yeah, you can control your things while you are away.
Yeah. So hata watu wenye wanauzimia watu na nini,
Yeah.
TV wanatumia IoT.
Yeah.
But if you have, kama unataka kuwa advancing such a point, you can check if it has IoT, and it is provided by the manufacturer. But kama umeiva engineering, so unajitengenezea.
Watu wa engineering tukutane nyuma ya tent.
Tukutane WhatsApp group. So guys, that's the end of this video. But before we go, we have
WhatsApp groups, yeah,
where we can discuss this topic further. The link will provide it in the description.
If you're interested, you just join and we talk more there.
Yeah. You ask for advice and also to educate, not say to educate.
Okay.
So until next time, watch this video.
Previous video, the links are here and here.
And the YouTuber algorithm thinks this video is a good fit for you.
Yes.
So till next time.
Bye.